Hey guys, hope you're doing well today. So in this video, we're starting a pretty cool little project. As you can see behind me, I've got a 7x14 enclosed trailer that we're going to start building a food trailer out of. It's going to be for coffee and espresso. It'll be equipped with air conditioning and everything, but no generator. We're doing straight battery power on this. We've got a really cool system planned out and really excited to show it to you. So follow along with this build and we'll get it done. While the trailer does have a man door, it's on the wrong side and the opening is only 5'7" high, which is a good bit on the short side. So rather than trying to move this door to the other side, we purchased an RV door. We could only get it in white, which is no problem. We'll have it wrapped. This is where the door is going to go, which will be on the left rear. I opened up the trailer, took the piece of metal off just to kind of get an idea of how everything needs to be built. I do have to bring the door as far to the rear as I can just to keep from getting into that fender there, but it'll fit.
Oh yeah, it's coffee time. Can you smell it?
I'm here at the sudden service on exit 24 off of Interstate 24 in Springfield, Tennessee. So got my coffee, black coffee, sudden service. So let's give it a go. That's gonna be an even 6 out of 10. Back to the video. Here I'm bending up the top part of the frame for the door opening. Thankfully my die is the same radius as the door, so that's going to work out good. Here I've put the door in and taped the line around it, leaving about 3/16 to a 1/4 inch gap. And I've also taped the edge of the door. So what that's going to allow me to do is put a big fat bead of silicone in there before I install the door and let it squish out. And the tape will allow me to have a nice clean line all the way around. Getting this wall prepped to start cutting the window opening. So just a quick note, as you can see, these panels are glued to the uprights. You can see the mess here. So rather than trying to take a sawzall and damaging the panels, I've got the old Harbor Freight windshield remover tool. So the handles, the wire, a piece to poke it through. So I'll do it just like cutting out a windshield and cut that silicone loose. This trailer has Dibond on the exterior rather than regular aluminum. Here my little oscillating tool is making quick work of cutting out this opening. Got the window frame all welded in, and then I added 2 pieces of 1x2, so that'll be for the shelf to bolt to on the outside. We got a stainless folding shelf, so that'll be the support for that. So here's a quick update. So if you can make it out, I've got the frame built for the main countertop. Espresso machine will go there, grinder. We're working out the placement of the sinks here. And then down below it, we're working on the frame for the freshwater tank and the gray water tank, and mounting for the water pump, water heater, all back there. Plus, we're working on placement for the battery. So we're trying to get this weight towards the rear of the trailer. So there's the serving window. There'll be a 6 foot by 16 inch deep countertop here for taking orders and handing out orders. That's going to wrap up this video. I appreciate you watching. If you would, give me a like and consider subscribing, and we'll catch you on the next one.